If you have trouble sleeping or you wake up with neck or back pain, it could be your pillow. Here's the problem. We all move throughout the night, but each position requires a different level of support. When you're on your back, your head doesn't need much support, just a little here under the neck. Now, roll to your side. Notice how much more support is needed to properly align your head, neck, and spine. That's why you're up all night, refluffing and refolding your pillow, just trying to get comfortable. What if there was a pillow that could adjust to your sleeping position? Introducing the Miracle Pillow, the revolutionary new pillow that provides the correct support no matter how you move throughout the night. The secret is in the design. Invented by a Stanford engineer who was tired of sleeping poorly and waking up in pain, the Miracle Pillow combines the cool comfort of memory foam with two special support inserts. You get soft support under your head and neck when you're on your back, and increased support when you're on your side. The result is a more comfortable and healthy night's sleep.
On my side or my back, it kept me sleeping through the night.
I actually wake up well rested. I don't have any pain.
Why pay up to $130 for a pillow that doesn't work? Call today and get your Miracle Pillow for just 3 easy payments of only $19.99. We'll even include a custom-fit antibacterial pillow slip, a $15 value, absolutely free. But wait, call now and you'll get a second Miracle Pillow for free. That's 2 Miracle Pillows and 2 antibacterial pillow slips, a $290 value, all for just 3 payments of only $19.99. We guarantee that you'll sleep better and wake up more refreshed for your money back. So stop the soreness and the pain. Give yourself the miracle of a good night's sleep.